The task of knowledge-based completion has seen rapid progress with the likes of embedding-based factorization models, which achieve state-of-the-art performance. These models are opaque, meaning that it isn't possible to reason about their decision, which reduces the trust of the end user in the model prediction, making their use case difficult in mission-critical scenarios. In this work, we present AUX-KBC, an outcome explanation engine for the task of KBC, which generates an explanation for model predictions. It trains a post facto explanator, which is faithful to the underlying model. In our experiments, AUX-KBC satisfies the end user in a user study on Mechanical Turk. A tensor factorization model works with a knowledge graph, which has various entities as nodes. These entities are connected by a directed edge indicating a relationship between them. The goal of a TF model is to learn embeddings for each entity and relationship and infer missing relationships in the knowledge graph. AUX-KBC tries to generate an explanation for the prediction of the underlying tensor factorization model. To do so, it takes the prediction and the embeddings of the tensor factorization model. For example, if the query was Tori is good at basketball, it can generate an explanation saying that Tori is good at basketball because Tori won awards in basketball. So essentially we are trying to open the black box. There are many ways of doing it. One way to do so is outcome explanation, which explains each outcome of the model independently. AUX-KBC is an outcome explanation engine. There are different styles of explanations which AUX-KBC can generate. For example, for the prediction Tori is good at basketball, you may generate an explanation as Tori is similar to Lori and Lori is good at basketball. AUX-KBC sees that Lori and Tori are seen in similar context in the knowledge graph and thus are probably interchangeable. Another explanation can be that Tori won awards for basketball and thus is good at basketball. Another explanation can be that Tori plays in NBA and NBA is a professional sport league for basketball. These are samples of the types of explanations that AUX-KBC can generate. But since there are multiple types of explanation, we do not know which explanation is the best amongst various possible explanations. We obviously do not have annotated training data about which explanation is best for a prediction. To choose the best explanation, we train a selection module which learns novel features corresponding to each explanation type and is trained by a novel unsupervised loss. Further, in our experiments, we see that adding a very small amount of about 100 annotated explanations vastly reduces the variance in the performance of AUX-KBC. In order to judge the goodness and the utility of the explanations generated by AUX-KBC, we perform a user evaluation on Mechanical Turk, comparing our explanation against other popular approach like rule mining. A question, its corresponding prediction, and the explanation from both systems are presented in this example, and Turkers had to choose amongst explanations which one, if any, is better. We found that Turkers overwhelmingly prefer AUX-KBC's explanation. Out of 212 facts, Turkers clearly preferred AUX-KBC's explanation for 145 facts over rule mining and declared tie for 18, showing the superiority of AUX-KBC's explanation. We also evaluate the faithfulness of AUX-KBC to the underlying model. We set up an experiment in which we evaluate the impact to the tensor factorization model's prediction if the explaining fact generated by AUX-KBC is removed. The impact is measured using MRR, and higher the drop, higher is our confidence that AUX-KBC is faithful to the underlying model. We observe that the MRR decreases by about 80% in just 5 steps of fine-tuning. In the end, we conclude by presenting AUX-KBC, which provides post-hoc explanations for any factorization-based knowledge-based completion model. It is faithful to the underlying model as observed in our experiments, and the explanations generated by AUX-KBC are more satisfying to the end user, thereby increasing their trust. For more details, please see our paper or visit us on June 24th at 9:25. Thank you.